In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Namecheap Hosting. Using Namecheap Hosting is a straightforward process, and it really comes down to four main actions: logging into your Namecheap dashboard, linking your domain to your hosting server, opening cPanel, and then installing a content management system like WordPress so you can start building your site. To begin, go to Namecheap and sign in to your account dashboard. Once you're inside, the first thing you want to do is make sure your domain is connected to your hosting. If you bought your domain and hosting together from Namecheap, this may already be set up for you. But if your domain was purchased separately or comes from another registrar, you'll need to update the name servers manually. From your dashboard, open the domain list and find the domain you want to use. Click Manage next to that domain, then scroll down until you see the name server section. In the drop-down menu, choose Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, and then click the checkmark to save your changes. This step tells your domain where your website is hosted, so it's essential before moving on. Keep in mind that DNS updates can sometimes take a little time to fully apply. Once your domain is connected, the next step is to access cPanel. cPanel is the main control area for your hosting account, and it's where you'll manage things like website files, email accounts, and databases. To get there, return to your Namecheap account dashboard and click Hosting List in the left-hand menu. Locate your active hosting package, then click the Go to cPanel button. Now that you're in cPanel, you're ready to build your website. One of the easiest ways to do this is by installing WordPress through the Softaculous Apps installer. Scroll down inside cPanel until you find the Softaculous Apps installer section. Then click WordPress. On the next screen, click Install Now. You'll then be asked to enter a few setup details for your website, including your site name, your site description, your admin username, your password, and your email address. Make sure you choose secure login details and save them somewhere safe so you can access your site later. After that, click Install at the bottom of the page. The installation will take a moment to complete. When it's done, you'll be given the administrative login URL for your new WordPress dashboard, where you can sign in and begin customizing your website. And that's how to use Namecheap Hosting, from connecting your domain all the way to launching WordPress.